Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So what I wanted to talk about today was the Emax ECOs. I've been running these 2306. I run 1700 and 1900. Yeah, I ordered them that way, so we'll go ahead and run them and don't complain. So anyway, what I wanted to talk about was, are they worth $12.99 a motor, and are they worth putting them on your quad? Well, I've been running them now for just about, say, a month on these motors. You know, on the twos. I ran the ones before, so I have gotten a chance to beat on them. Oh, this guy here, as you can see, got some damage there, and if you look at it, it is kind of a little bit out of round, which then makes it not go on the stator and turn easy. So this design here is working. This part that they have right here to stop the bell from dropping down, I've seen that work. Like I said, I bashed it up on my other one, on my main rig, and we beat them up pretty good, put them to the work. But you can see how that kind of sets here, and then that will kind of stop that bell from dropping down. Now imagine if you hit way on this side real hard, you'll probably drop the bell a little bit. But I put it on concrete upside down about 6 or 8 times. So they're definitely worth with the $12.99 from what I'm seeing so far. The bearings seem great in them. They're real smooth. The power, the efficiency, all seems to be there. They do seem like you might have to set your throttle up in Betaflight. They do seem like a little bit of a power robber. Means, you know, when you punch them, they'll pull, you know, down a little bit on your batteries. Now my batteries are going on, I think we figured out, about a little over 2 years old, so that could definitely be what's hindering that. But let's take a look at what they got going on here. If you guys are familiar with the Iflight Xing motors, this is where I saw this at first, where they would put this washer in there, but they would use a real thin one. If you notice, this one, it's pretty thick going on there, and then it's got the O-ring, which obviously this doesn't because it's a used bell. I've done stole it out of there, or just done fell out of there. But I think actually here's the almost what Iflight would use, just that little washer there. But they're definitely worth the buck. $12.99. I would definitely say they're worth it. This is a new stator here. You can kind of see what's going on with the footing on it. Look how thick this is right here, and we can compare that to others, I believe. Let me grab one somewheres. I believe I have. And I'm going to compare it to the Xing E motor, because this is an E motor. Excuse me. This is, you know, the Emax ECO E series. So look at the difference here, and you can kind of see when I hold that driver up there. Let's see what we got going on there versus what we got going on there. Look at that, almost twice the height of it. And I'm gonna tell you something. When you're running an Apex and you're working with these beefy arms like this, you really need that difference here. I know you guys have had the Xing motors, and I'm sure you've tore the threads out of here. I have many that I have done. We're not going to get into that. That's kind of can go any way. It's over tightened, not tightened. There's so many arguments with that corner, so we stay out of there. So another thing I like to see what's going on is, you see how they're coating underneath of the windings. I thought that was really cool. They put that to try to stop wires from falling off, you know, because these guys take a beating from what we go through. You can see, or what we put them through. You can see the Xing has got nothing going on there. And like I said, I'm not comparing the apples and oranges here. Just I run these guys vividly. Anyone knows me knows I sunk a lot of money into the Iflight Xings, and I just feel like the Emax ECOs 2s have taken their place. Even the ones, I run the ones on my 6-inch Alien right here, and I can't complain. People tell you I'll bash this thing around. And so what I'm trying to say is, if you want a motor, affordable motor, a budget motor that's not going to break the bank and cost you some money, as if a set of, say, the Primo motors that are running, say, upwards of $20 to $27 a motor, these guys are coming in at $12.99. So you could afford to get, you know, a set of these and then 2 spares for what you would spend for Primos. And check out the video that's coming right after this, and I left the sound of it in there. That was flying in roughly 38-mile-an-hour winds, a straight wind with, I think it was said 40-some-mile-an-hour gust or something. So listen to the motor and how it sounds, and then you can see how the quad responds. You know, obviously you have some wobbles a little bit there due to the wind, like I said, but just watch how the quad responds when I pop the throttle, and how, you know, the efficiency and all that. I don't have the on screen, so you can't see actually the sag of the battery and all, but like I said, my batteries are going on 2 years old, so I think they did pretty good. And thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Enjoy the video. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the Xing motor as far as the footing. If you've been stripping them, knocking them off, if you had good luck with them, let me know what you think. Peace.